killing me. Hey, Willie.
Ted, how are you?
How you doing, brother?
Spoke to you on the phone.
Yeah, man.
How you doing?
How you doing? I knew it was you by the trail of smoke.
I know Ted's got a lot of nice cars out here, and I thought I'd come by and see him and see if I could sell him a nice car that we have from the pawn shop.
If Willie's bringing it, Willie robbed it. Because, you know, they only lend 25% of the value on a car. So, you know, he's probably in it for $5,000 maybe, or, you know, 4 or 5 grand. So I'll be able to buy that car right where I can resell it.
Hardly any rust on the car at all. It's very, very clean.
You got these?
No Bondo. She's in good shape.
Would you say no Bondo?
No Bondo that I can find. Again, you're the expert, so it could be future Bondo.
Could be. Maybe it's Acme.
It's a 1969 Grand Prix, original engine. It's got original paint. We put a brand new interior in it. I think this car would sell well around 12 grand, but that might be a little high number. I mean, I'm willing to go a little bit lower, but not much lower. The car is very clean.
Why are you selling it?
Well, I own a pawn shop with my brother, and the guy pawned it, said he'd be back. And of course, like so many other people, he's going to be back. Never came back.
Happens.
And we're not in the business of classic cars. We know you are, so I figure you're the perfect guy to sell it to.
Yeah, I'll buy it if the price is right. You know, I buy to sell. I'm not a collector.
I understand that.
What do you need for it, Willie?
About 12 grand, I think you can sell this car 15, 16, no problem.
I think Willie has a real good idea of what the car's worth, and it's a nice car. I love the old Grand Prix. Great cars. But that car needs, when it needs, it's not worth what the right one's worth. I think, honestly, I'm not going over 8 grand on the car. It ain't gonna happen, or I don't need it. At 8 grand, I'm okay. Over 8 grand, I'm not buying the car. There's no question it's a nice car. It's not a done car, though. Needs a little bit of help.
Not much to make it perfect, you know? Or near perfect.
I think it'll do 12 grand when I clean it up.
Right.
Okay? But I gotta clean it up. I gotta be in this car for like 7.
7. You're
7?
beating me up, man.
I'm not beating you up. I'm here. I'm not a charity. I gotta make a living or I can't buy the car.
Ted's trying to drive me down to 7,000, and I'm more at closer to 12. So hopefully we can meet somewhere in the middle or closer to 10. He's a pretty easy to get along with guy. I think that we can reach some happy medium that'll work out for him and work out for us. I can't do 7. You gotta do better than that. From 12 to 7, that's, you know.
Willie, it's, you know, it needs. It's got no trim rings on the wheels either. It needs, you know, I mean, I honestly, my max, and I'm done, and I'll shake your hand at 8 grand, but I am done. And I'm doing 8 because we've done business before and I want to do business again. I'm done at 8. You want it sold? 8 grand. It's
Can't do 9?
No, sir.
Help me out?
No. This car's B9. 8 grand.
You're a nice guy. I like you. You're a local guy. 8 grand, that'll work out for us. That'll work out for you.
Okay. So tell me the truth. Did you pawn it for 3 or 4?
I pawned it for 55.
Did you? You're a sporty guy. So you held it for 90 days and you turned it into 8 grand. Gee, you poor thing. I think I bought the car worth the money. 69 Grand Prix are real popular. I think if I don't touch the car, it'll do 12.5. I think if I clean it up a little bit, it'll do 16, 18 grand. So I'm safe.
I would have liked to have gotten 9,500, 10,000. I know the car needs a little bit of work, probably a couple $1,000 just to get it almost perfect. So at 8,000, if you put the 1,000 or 2,000 into it, he can still sell that car for 15 grand. He makes 5 grand. He's good.